Image resolution refers to the number of pixels per unit area of a digital image. More pixels per unit area means the image has higher resolution and therefore more detail. For example, this image of the LambdaU logo has a resolution of 2000 by 1500. This means the image is 2000 pixels wide and 1500 pixels high and contains a total of 3 million pixels, making it a 3 megapixel image. Resolution is a measure of the sharpness of details in an image and is measured in pixels per inch, or PPI. More pixels per unit area means the image has more detail and therefore higher resolution. For example, these are two images of the LambdaU logo at 72 ppi and 300 ppi. We can see more detail in the 300 ppi image compared to the 72 ppi image. The 300 ppi image has more detail because it is composed of more pixels than the 72 ppi image.